Welcome back to Intellify. I'm Rasika Ramakrishna and let's continue with the chapter on polynomials. Exercise 2.3, question number 4. On dividing x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. So we are given the dividend, quotient and remainder, and we are asked to find the divisor. So do we know any relation between the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder? Well, you should be screaming the answer right now. The division algorithm, right? So we know the division algorithm and we can obviously find the divisor given the dividend, quotient and remainder. So in case you're slightly skeptical about it, let's see how we do this. So quickly, let's recap the division algorithm. You know that the dividend is nothing but the divisor times quotient plus remainder, right? So here we've got to find the divisor, that is g of x. So you can take r of x to the other side. So you'll have f of x minus r of x to be equal to g of x times q of x. So you can take q of x also to the other side. So you'll have g of x equal to f of x minus r of x whole divided by q of x. So this is how we're going to compute g of x. Alright, so let's go ahead and find g of x. So in our case, we have the dividend to be x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2, and your quotient is x minus 2 and your remainder is minus 2x plus 4. So we just saw that g of x was f of x minus r of x whole divided by q of x. So in words, you can say that the divisor is dividend minus remainder whole divided by the quotient. So that's going to be x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 minus of minus 2x plus 4 whole divided by x minus 2. So do the subtraction and you will have g of x is x cubed minus 3x squared plus x plus 2 whole divided by x minus 2. Alright, so we know polynomial division, so we can do that. And when you divide, note one small thing, that your remainder should definitely be 0. Why is this the case? Because your quotient is always going to perfectly divide the dividend minus remainder, right? So assume you're dividing 5 by 4. Your remainder is going to be 1. What is 5 minus 1? 4. You get what I'm saying? So 4 divides 4, right? So your quotient and your divisor are always going to perfectly divide the dividend minus remainder. Alright, so in case your remainder is not 0, then there's nothing wrong with the question. It's just that your division is wrong. Alright, so enough about the remainder. Let's focus on the quotient. So your quotient in this case is going to be g of x, right? So you have the quotient to be x square minus x plus 1 upon performing the division, which I'm not going to be doing and you're going to be doing yourself. So x square minus x plus 1 is the required g of x.